When your Rheem tankless water heater isn't producing hot water, start with a few quick checks. First, make sure the unit has power by checking your circuit breaker, and if it's a gas model, confirm the gas supply is on and the valve is fully open. Next, look at the display for any error codes, since these point directly to what's wrong and can save you time. If everything looks normal, try a reset. Turn off power to the unit, locate the small red reset button on the control panel, and press and hold it for a few seconds until you feel a click or see the indicator change. Wait about 1 minute, restore power, and test the hot water again. This reset often fixes issues caused by power interruptions or minor faults. If the reset doesn't work, move on to deeper checks. Inspect the water flow sensor, because if it's dirty or blocked, the heater won't activate. For gas units, check the burner flame, it should be steady and blue. Yellow or orange flames usually mean the burner needs cleaning. Regular maintenance is also important, including flushing and descaling the heat exchanger and cleaning inlet filters to prevent buildup. If you continue to see error codes, notice temperature swings, or hear unusual noises, it's best to contact a qualified technician to diagnose and repair the unit safely.